Hi everyone, welcome to another vlog. Hi Bharat, welcome to another vlog. Oh my god, starting off today, we've come to We've come to this place called Griffith Observatory. Oh Bharat, yeah, you got a haircut.
You can see all of LA from here. I've seen so many movies here. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm trying to guess. I think Billie Eilish also shot here, and La La Land was also shot here, and it looks especially nice when it's dark and you can see the entire city's lights on.
मेरे को लेना एक शॉट में हॉलीवुड साइन के साथ. बहुत टाइम से वेट कर रहे हैं.
Not so much, not so much.
It's so nice here. My dress has been flying and मैंने बहुत लोगों को फ्लैश करा है. बहुत इरिटेशन हो रही है. But this is so nice and sunny भी हो गया. It's not that cold anymore.
Yeah, you're outside, you can.
ऐसा लग रहा है इंडिया के किसी हिल स्टेशन पे आ गए हैं and I'm really happy. I just spotted a cafe and I get very excited when there's a chance to have good food and then there's good weather.
Everything ever on the planet is बहुत अच्छा weather, good food and just good vibes. Like I'm in such a good mood right now. How nice is this? We just got coffee and chips and we're sitting. They have like a tiny. मुझे बहुत हिचकी आ रही है यार एक तो.
You refuse to fix it, ना इसलिए.
मैं पानी पी रही हूँ कब से.
जल्दी जल्दी पीना पड़ता है. You have to swallow it, gut.
मैं नहीं कर सकती. मेरा एक लॉजिक है विद हिचकी कि अगर तुम्हें हिचकी आ रही है तो somebody is trying to remember you and if you guess who that person is then the हिचकी goes away and I've been thinking who it can be.
पापा को सपना आ रहा है तेरे बारे में.
पापा के बारे में नहीं सोचा मैंने. हो सकता है पापा ही होंगे. देख अब देखते हैं हिचकी आती कि नहीं. लग तो नहीं रहा. So I wanted to show you what we're doing on like a regular day. जहाँ we have nothing, nowhere to go, nothing to do. So basically, since हम यहाँ 2 महीने के लिए रह रहे हैं, so going out every day doing fun stuff every day is just not sustainable. Right now, I just finished my music class. I have music lessons with my teacher every week, and we're doing it at this time. It's 9:30 p.m. because it's morning for her. So all of my calls and everything that I have to do with everyone in my team in India. But so I'm feeling very pumped because I just did my music class and it was a lot of fun. We sang the song Reflection by Christina Aguilera. Let me know if you've heard it. And right now we're making food. So well, not me, like Bharat is making food. I chopped up the vegetables before my class started and Bharat did the cooking. My tasks काफी divided हैं. Wow, this actually does look really good. What is this dish called? क्या है ये?
Sweet chili stir fry.
Sweet chili stir fry. This is again from HelloFresh. Dude, HelloFresh needs to fucking sponsor me now. So this is like a nice routine. It's quite chill. So खाना ready हो जाता है, फिर हम इसको टेबल पे रखते हैं, and we're gonna watch a movie. We're watching प्यार इम्पॉसिबल.
No.
Yes. And ये तो होता है ये to decide something to watch. इतना टाइम हो जाता है कि तब तक कि खाना मैं खा लेती हूँ and I get very irritated. Yeah, okay, we've decided on दिल तो पागल है. Bharat has never seen दिल तो पागल है. It's cleaning day. There's no vacuum in this house. So I'm doing jhadu of the bathroom. Yes. Bharat used to have this robot jhadu thing, robo jhadu, which was the best. So it's like a circular thing. उसको कहीं पे भी छोड़ दो. And it just goes around the room and just vacuums automatically. So I've been doing the same breakfast every day. I think I just really like this breakfast. Avocado. I'm a basic person. I put butter and then spread it on bread with some red chili flakes and these berries, blackberries and raspberries. So some cool stuff is happening today. I got a meeting. I don't know when it's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen soon. So that's cool. That's exciting because everyone's really nice to me and wants to meet. I have my laptop and my book. I've just been reading Ankur Wariku's book, which is actually really good. And I'm going to a cafe. So we live in this area called Beechwood. So यहाँ पे एक ही cafe है. That's where I'm going to go and just live my Blue Tokai life. I miss Blue Tokai. So I found a new Blue Tokai here and I'm going to go there alone. Bharat is doing his own work. Guys, this Airbnb. This is just our outdoor area, very casually. It's actually within my budget for the trip also. I set a budget for the trip because staying in LA for 2 months is quite pricey. So I set a budget and we found such a nice place. There's like a pond here. It's so nice. So let's go, you and me, alone. Look at this. This is so beautiful. I honestly feel like I would want to live here. Like, if and when I move to LA, like I would want to live here. It's like a 15-minute walk from here. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna put on my headphones and listen to my affirmations. I listen to these affirmations every day. By the way, the Hollywood sign is just on our street. Like, bahar aate hi we can see it. I'm doing those shots again. Just look at this house. This is just a casual house on the street. It's so pretty. There's books inside this archway. I'm vlogging. Okay, I'm ready. I just did my hair and makeup. It's late at night. I never shoot late at night. I find it like a little difficult to do. But today we're going to this place called Lakma. It's that famous place where there's ऐसे poles हैं, इसके ऊपर lights हैं. It was in La La Land also, and I wanted to shoot a little bit of a cover song reel that I'm doing and some picture. I'm wearing a very glam kind of vibe. Gold earrings, big hair, red lipstick. This is the vibe. Okay, we made it to Lakma. The lights behind. I've been here once before, so it's pretty cool. And this time I'm dressed up. Last time my sweater and I was like, shit, no nice photos. But this time I've come prepared, dressed up with a nice outfit. Now we'll find a spot. So unlike how you see in my final video and photos with no people behind me, यहाँ बहुत सारे लोग हैं. So we'll find a spot where there's nobody in the background so that we get nice shots. हाँ, so it's not weird. We're done shooting. Here are some photos and videos that we took here, and I changed behind it to ये. I wore a t-shirt because inside I was just wearing a bra. And अभी हम जा रहे हैं. We're going to a taco stand. It's like street food here is mainly tacos and they're very good. So I didn't want to go there in just a bra and a blazer, so I changed behind a tree. The place is actually so pretty. Just like look at it from far away. We made it. This is the taco stand. We're gonna eat here. I've come here before. Truck, not stand. It's here. It looks really good and very fresh, and these tacos are so different, I guess, compared to what you get in India. We're sitting on a bench like on the side of the road. That's the taco truck. जल्दी से बोल रही हूँ ताकि हम कैमरा से पकड़ सकते हैं and I can eat in peace. It's the next day. I want to show you breakfast that I made. Very proud of this. It looks like it's come from a restaurant. I made that egg. It looks very good. Grilled tomato. Guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog here for this episode of the LA vlogs. I've been doing quite a lot of them and I'll keep posting more, so stay tuned for all of them. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Please subscribe, like, all of that, and listen to my new song Runaway. More songs are coming out from my first ever EP soon, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
You look like a good guy with bad habits.